today's video, you will learn how to use guava leaf to make your hair grow. Did you know you can boost your hair growth using guava? Most women dream of having long, silky hair, right? If you are one of the girls who never got to reach your desired length because your hair takes too long to grow, you are going to love this recipe. You will need some guava leaves, peppermint oil, and aloe vera. Have you ever heard about this combination? On our channel, we have talked about the benefits of each one of these ingredients. Now let's see what they can do for our hair. Guava leaf has many benefits, including stopping and preventing hair loss since it is rich in vitamins A, B, C, lycopene, fiber, and potassium. All these nutrients make the hair healthier. Did you know? Thanks to its menthol, peppermint oil helps stimulate hair growth and lends a refreshing sensation to the scalp. And aloe vera is great for hair care. It helps hydrate, avoids allergies and health issues in the scalp, improves hair texture and health. Nice, isn't it? To make this fortifying hairspray, you will need 5 guava leaves, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 30 drops of peppermint essential oil. Directions: make a tea boiling 3.4 ounces of water and 5 guava leaves. Let it rest for 24 hours. After that, strain the tea and pour the liquid into a spray bottle to make it easier to use. Peel the aloe leaf to extract the gel and leave the gel soaking in water for a few minutes to remove the aloe, a toxic substance that can irritate the skin. Next, add 1 tablespoon of aloe gel to the spray bottle and mix. Now add the 30 drops of peppermint oil and stir well again to ensure all ingredients are combined. Part your hair into 3 parts, spray the mixture on your scalp, and gently massage with your fingertips. Do it twice a day, in the morning and at night. Oh, remember to do an allergy test on your forearm before applying the mixture to your head, to ensure that you won't have any allergic reactions. This mixture helps strengthen the scalp, making the hair grow stronger and thicker. It also will leave your hair softer and glowing. So, what did you think of this recipe? Did you know about this study and the benefits of peppermint? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.